the total first. Okay, and eyes and mouse. Okay, the font is, and then the total like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and the neck like this, and also the 1 2 like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, rice is almost finished. Okay, and then the next, the total have the weight. Because he won't go to school, the base. Okay, the total carry the base, and then they ran to the school, so they have a rainbow. Some rainbow over here. Okay, one color, two color, three color, four color, five. Okay, and then we coloring. I will use the yellow color, and then the line. Okay, and then the pink color. Okay, and then the blue color. And then the green. No, I will use the purple. This is the purple. Okay, and then the next is the cloud. Use the cloud color. Okay, okay, and then the total we will use the green, right? Okay, green, and then next is we use the dark green. Okay, and then below we use this one color. Okay, and also the base I will use the an orange, and then we use with the pink. And then with the blue. Okay, and then okay, thank you for watching everyone.